Cassia fistula, commonly known as golden shower, Persian cassia, or pudding pipe tree, is a flowering plant. It is native to India, Malaysia, and Southeast Asia. It is well known for producing a show-stopping bloom of yellow flowers. Even pinnate compound leaves with 4 to 8 pairs of ovate lanceolate leaflets per leaf usually drop in April as a prelude to flowering, which occurs from May to early July. 5-petaled bright yellow flowers bloom in pendulous terminals which cover the tree with profuse bloom. Flowers are lightly scented. Leaves return as the flowering progresses, with foliage totally restored by July. Cassia should be grown in full sun or well-drained soil. The trees are moderately drought and salt tolerant. Although cassia is damaged by temperatures falling slightly below freezing, it will come back with warmer weather. Trees will need occasionally pruning when they are young to control shape and develop a uniform crown. Good companion plant suggestions for cassia include colorful perennials such as lantana, penta, blue days, blueberry flax lily, or ground covers like coral creeper, purple queen, or sunshine mimosa. Sticky brown pulp inside the pods has been used in herbal medicines. Golden shower tree is the national tree of Thailand and the national flower of Thailand. Popular plant as an ornamental or for herbal medicine. Dried fruit has medicinal properties and is now widely grown in tropical and subtropical areas around the world.